2026. So saya selaku penyelaras bagi Kangaroo Maths Competition 2026 for KMPh punya placement. Okey, saya akan bertindak sebagai moderator lah untuk bengkel hari ini. Jadi untuk makluman semua, peringatan ya, kita punya competition akan berlangsung pada minggu hadapan 22 April pada hari Rabu lah, pada hari Rabu jam 4.30. Nanti saya akan maklumkan dia punya latest tempat lah. Setakat ni kita book dekat di DMO ya. So untuk final punya ni nanti saya bagi maklum dekat group lah. Okey, jadi untuk makluman semua, pada hari ini bengkel Kangaroo kita akan conduct by Mr. Tawaraja Selvaraja daripada pensyarah daripada Kolej Matrikulasi Perak. So saya ucapkan selamat datang kepada penceramah kita dan ucapan terima kasih jugalah kerana sudi untuk meluangkan masa untuk memberi sedikit pendedahan lah kepada kesemua peserta Kangaroo Maths bagi untuk mendapatkan CJ yang tertinggi lah. Kita ada level-level CJ, nanti mungkin Mr. Tawaraja boleh explain sikit lah. Sebab kita pun KMPh baru second year kita sebagai ni lah tempat untuk sebelum ni kita tak join pun. Ini second year lah. Okey, jadi tanpa kita buang masa, tapi sebelum tu saya ingatkan kepada semua peserta untuk kalau ada sebarang persoalan boleh raise hand lah, gunakan fungsi raise hand ataupun tuliskan mesej di ruangan sembang kita pada kita punya Google Meet ni. Dan saya galakkan untuk semua peserta buat catatan apa sahaja note-note penting yang diberikan oleh penceramah kita pada hari ini. Jadi tanpa buang masa, saya jemput penceramah kita untuk memulakan bengkel kita pada hari ini. Okey, silakan.
Okey. Terima kasih Puan Hidayah selaku penyelaras Kolej Matrikulasi Pahang untuk pertandingan Kangaroo Maths. Okay, so I think everyone can hear me, right? Okay, boleh dengar? Okay, maybe boleh beri thumbs up sekiranya anda boleh dengar. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, so first of all, right? Okay, first of all saya akan campur BM dengan English. Okay, so first of all, I know it's a very busy time for all of you. And you might be wondering why on earth you are in Kangaroo Maths. Okay, so you perlu ada motivasi sikit. Okay, perlu ada motivasi sikit. You sudah join competition ini. It's just like 1 week away. So you should be, taking note that Kangaroo Maths ini merupakan internationally recognized competition, internationally recognized competition. I believe 26 of you who join here are going to achieve wonders in life. Okay, maksudnya lepas matrikulasi you akan apply scholarship dan selanjutnya. So when you apply for scholarship, right, of course you need a good portfolio. Contoh, you nak pergi apply scholarship engineering. Your achievement in Kangaroo Maths, of course, okay, will be a good bonus for you. Okay, so you kena ambil benda-benda ni lah. And secondly, you need to understand that Kangaroo Maths competition ada 24 soalan. All are objective questions. So that is good. Okay, maybe some of you ada join Olympiad. Olympiad is subjective. Tetapi dekat sini Kangaroo Maths, okay, it's objective. So that's good. Alright, so I hope this is motivation for you, okay, to actually sit for Kangaroo Maths. Okay, tolong take note, it's 1 hour 15 minutes. Okay, you have only 1 hour 15 minutes. So when you tengok soalan itu, maybe you'll be like, okay, what are they talking about and all that. Tetapi kamu kena faham kategori yang kamu join ini, right? You're competing with the Form 5 students. Okay, you're competing with the Form 5 students. So don't tell me you are worse off than them. You have a good advantage because kamu sudah ada dekat matrikulasi. Your knowledge is much more bigger than them. Okay, before I start, right? I want to know roughly how many people yang ada cuba soalan in the paper yang saya bagi. Tolong bagi reaction. Bagi reaction. Siapa ada cuba soalan? Okay, 1, Dua, tiga, empat, lima. Okay, enam. Okay, about there. Okay. Maybe I want to interact with you. Okay, I want to interact with you. Okay. So please unmute and speak. Maybe some of you can like say a few things about how you find the question. Okay, I've got no idea who you are, but then remember I'm here to actually guide you. I'll try to build the momentum from basic question to like a higher question, meaning to say from a 3-point mark to 5-point mark. So cara you kena score adalah try the 5 mark question also. Jangan ingat 5 mark is susah. Actually it's no. Kadang-kadang you nampak, oh 5 mark susah, tapi actually it's very straightforward. Okay, maybe some of you want to share what you think about the question so far. Because normally session is face to face. I can interact with you guys. But then kali ini it's online. So tolong bagi tahu how you feel. Anyone nak bagi perasaan macam mana you feel like cursing out? Please feel free to share your emotions. Anyone? Okay, and also when you're following the session, right? I hope you're seated somewhere. Okay, maybe you're jotting down something. Jangan baring on your bed and tengok ah. Alright, anyone want to share? Om Prakash, are you here?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, did you try the question?
Haven't we?
Haven't. Okay, right. Okay. Leaning. Leaning, are you here, Leaning?
Yes,
Okay, did you try the question?
just a little bit, like 5 questions.
Okay, 5 question. All right. Okay, how you find the 5 question?
Um, and I think it's quite hard to understand the question, but once you understand it, it's actually pretty easy to solve it.
Yeah. Okay, another one more. Nurin. Nurin, are you there? Nurin Khairi.
Yes,
Okay, ada cuba soalan tak Nurin Khairi?
I tried one question only.
Alright. Okay, no problem. So macam tu kita tengok. Okay, the idea is just to give you exposure. Itu je. Okay, not like to show you the question and demotivate you. Just to give you a bit of belief. Okay, Kangaroo Maths next week. I'm going to go and try this question. Okay, come. Without wasting time, kita go to question 1. Okay, tengok soalan 1. Alright, so sekiranya anda ready, tolong berikan thumbs up. Sekiranya anda ready, tolong berikan thumbs up. Okay, thank you very much. Let's go. Alright, so look at your first question. Look at your first question. Dekat sini kan dia minta kamu untuk cari value. Remember, you cannot use your calculator. Okay, you tak boleh gunakan calculator. So you need to actually use whatever method yang kamu boleh to actually evaluate this. So kalau you tengok kan, okay, number ni 7777 5555 2222. Actually, kalau you tengok, among all these numbers, right, these 3 numbers, it is actually multiplied by one particular number. Maksudnya kita boleh pecahkan 7777 ini, 555 ini. Anyone want to comment? How can you rewrite your 7777? What times what? Anyone? Just give it a shout. You don't have to like say your name. Just unmute.
6,111.
Okay, that means 11111 times with 7. Okay, thank you Om Prakash. Okay, and similarly, kalau you tengok 1111 times with 5. Alright, so that's your breakthrough. Okay, you already spotted a pattern. Okay, for the numbers there. Okay, orang yang belum cuba tu, tolong cuba sekarang. And you can type in your comment section what you think the answer is. I give you 30 seconds. Tolong jangan guna calculator. Tolong jangan guna calculator. Okay, I believe majority of you haven't tried the question. You already have a breakthrough. Please type your answer in the comment section. Okay, I'll be looking at the comment section for your answer. A, B, C, D, or E. Okay, over to you. Okay, I understand you're from class and everything. You are tired. Fine. Okay, just take it as a, you need to start somewhere, right? Okay, that's why you signed up for. Okay, type. Okay, so Tulasi said it's C. How about the rest? Okay, Jakai also C. Majority of you getting C, man. You guys are nailing this. Very good. Okay, so I think I don't. Alright, semua serantam sih. Okay, right, very good. Okay, so I think I no need to in fact show you the working pun, I believe. Okay, because all of you have gotten it. Okay, tapi maybe some of you are stuck. So kalau you tengok yang ini, 7 times 1 power 2 over 5 times 1 times with 2 times 1. So of course atas itu is law of indices, 7 square darab dengan 1 square. Then 5 darab 2 darab 1 square. Potong, you're going to get 49 over 10. There you go. Simple kan? First question, not too bad. Sekiranya anda ada soalan, just unmute and ask me. No problem. I'm a very diplomatic person. Okay, I believe in democracy. So if you got question, please feel free to ask. Okay, ingat tak boleh guna kalkulator. Okay. Alright, so I think you're good with that question. Okay, mari kita pergi ke soalan yang seterusnya. Let's go to the next question. Okay, look at this question number 2. Okay, look at this question number 2. Did anyone try this question? Okay, please give a reaction kalau ada yang cuba soalan ini. Give me a reaction if you got try this question. Anyone? Who is seeing this question for the first time? Angkat tangan. Okay, Tulasi got try. Good. Okay, who is trying for the first time? Bagi saya reaction. Trying for the first time. Looking at the first time. Tolong bagi reaction. Random live. Zafi. Lagi siapa lagi? Okay, saya bagi you 1 minit untuk you tengok. I give you idea. Dia adalah menggunakan permutation and combination that you got study in your admits. And in fact, since you are in matriculation, kamu ada dalam chapter 7, your probability, you ada study about your permutation. Okay, so you can use that. Okay, so I let you to digest the question first, 1 minit. I don't want you to just like how you say, just read out. I don't want to just read out the schema. Okay, I want you all to understand what is happening. That's why I am allowing you to try first. Okay, maybe if you want, we can go and give it some name lah. Okay, red, what do you call orange? Maybe say yellow, then black lah. Okay, they say got 4 colors, right? Okay, got 4 colors. So maybe I just go and simply bagi dia nama lah. Okay, so if any of you got your answer, okay, if any of you got your answer, maybe you can type in the comment section. What is your answer? Sebelum kita proceed. Okay, so Tulasi said 36. 36, yes, correct. Tulasi, 36. Okay, I see Lim. Lim also say 36. Very good. Bagus. Very good. Okay. Others who else got 36? Ahmad Farouk. Bagus. Ahmad Farouk. I hope you are doing some thinking. Okay, bukan just takat tengok je. Because I want to highlight to you, kamu punya knowledge that you are being tested on. Okay, macam prime numbers is a lot. Okay, prime numbers is a lot. Lepas tu geometry. Then of course permutation combination boleh ada. Tapi permutation selalu. So dekat sini, in case some of you are stuck, mari kita tengok how we going to do it. Okay, so if you see the first place itu kan, of course, kita ada 4 color. Any 4 color pun you boleh guna. So there's going to be 4 ways there. Alright, 4 ways. I hope you all can hear me. It's raining quite heavily at my place. Can you all hear me? Okay, thank you very much, guys. Thank you. Thank you. Alright. So kalau you tengok sekarang, the key word here is no two adjacent stripe are of the same color. Meaning, katakan you sudah gunakan red, the red is not available for selection in the next one. Okay, so ini meaning to say tak boleh repeat. Actually, benda ini kamu ada tengok dalam syllabus kamu, no repetition is allowed. So, tapi yang tu must be very careful lah. Kenapa dia tidak guna itu ada reason. Because kat bawah tu boleh guna lagi. Okay, so you cannot actually say repetition is not allowed. Okay, it's just that the side by side itu tak boleh sama color. Okay, so because you have already done that, dekat sini kan, we know we have three ways. Kenapa? Kalau katakan you suruh color red, right? The next stripe, you still got another three more colors, which is orange, yellow, or black. Okay, so now we go to the last stripe. Okay, the rule is I cannot use whatever that I've used previously. So meaning to say, daripada 4 colors itu, saya masih ada lagi 3 pilihan. So number of ways is just going to be 4 times 3 times 3. So that is going to be 36. Hope that's clear to you. Sekiranya anda ada soalan, you can ask me. Maybe some of you got alternative way of doing it. Alright, kalau tak ada, we go to the next question. This is quite good. Actually kan, saya bagi tahu dekat you lagi satu tips From the analysis of the Kangaroo Maths papers that I have seen, the first few questions, maybe the first 6 or the first 7, should actually allow you to ambil markah. I tell you, I'm not scamming you. I've got no reason to scam you. I'm not from Kangaroo Maths punya ni ke apa ke, no. Okay, I'm doing this thing free of charge. Kalau you join an online punya workshop, memang you have to bayar. I'm doing this free of charge. I'm sharing with you, memang the first few questions is something that kalau you baca, then you have opportunity to actually answer it. Like here, kalau kamu tengok kan, this question, I want to know how many of you ada cuba. Angkat tangan. Give reaction, give reaction. Before I proceed. I'm just warming you up. I'm just warming you up. Tak lagi tengok soalan susah. 1, 2. Okay, 2 orang ada cuba. Siapa belum cuba? Bagi saya reaction. Ahmad Farouk bagi saya jawapan. Okay, kita tengok sebentar lagi adakah betul. Okay, tolong bagi reaction siapa baru pertama kali tengok ini. Angkat tangan. Okay, thank you. I really appreciate it. Okay, I really appreciate it. Okay, you guys are very responsive. Bagus. Or else I'll be like speaking by myself alone. Alright? Okay, so you tengok ini. I bagi you satu hint. This is progression. Okay, this is progression. Kenapa? Okay, kalau you tengok kan, dia punya keyword dekat sini. Process is repeated infinite number of time. Okay, infinite number of time. So that is our keyword lah. Kalau you tengok dekat sini kan, okay, dia punya, ini pun you boleh buat satu progression. So for me kan, kalau you tengok mula-mula, a square with an area of 84 is divided into 4 square. Okay, area of 84 is divided into 4 square. So meaning to say, this guy here, you boleh bagi tahu area dia. The first, okay, square ini. Okay, the first square ini, kita boleh bagi tahu dia punya area. Okay, this guy here, we can tell how much is the area. Alright. Can anyone type in the comment section, what is the area of the one that I put in red? Yang merah itu area dia, berapa? Just type saja di ruangan komen. You have a square of area. Yeah, correct, Tulasi. Okay, very good. Okay, very good, 21. Yes, Siti Haja, bagus. Wah, macam satu Malaysia. Tulasi, Fong, Siti Haja. Okay, semua like, okay, satu Malaysia like that. Okay, so the first one is, okay, 21. Kalau you tengok dekat sini, okay, they are asking what is the total area that is colored in black. So maksudnya nanti kalau kamu perasankan, you going to get your area of black, okay, to infinity, you know. So meaning to say kita kena dapatkan sum of infinity untuk area of black. Area of black. So the first area of black itu adalah 21. Okay, no? Then kita ada the same guy dekat sini. Okay, I tukar color sikit. You ada dekat sini mah. Then you boleh nampakkan dia dibahagikan lagi. So now I got this green color, this tiny one here. You should able to tell me what is the area of the green color. What is the area of the green color? Type di ruangan komen. Oh, very good. I mean, I actually enjoy seeing you guys like responding to something. Okay, itu green color is berapa area dia? Tadi merah punya surah bagi tamat 21. Bagaimana itu green color? You want to create progression kan? Ini pun you ada study masa at maths. Tulasi is straight away giving something. Oh, okay. 1/4 square. Okay, 21/4 betul. Okay, thank you, Lim. Okay, 21/4, correct. Because dekat sini kan, you got the bigger one, right? The green color bigger one. Then you pergi pecahkan lagi kepada 4. So, I'm going to get 21/4 now. Okay, or not? Alright. Hope you can see the progression forming. Then I just only need another one more term to see the pattern. Because selalu when we talking about progression, you kena ada paling kurang tiga terms. Okay. Alright. So now, if we go and see this yellow color here. Okay, you know this big guy here, this yellow, this one. You tahu dia punya area adalah 21/4 also. Same with the green one that I colored. Now, if I talking about this one tiny little one, berapa area dia? Can anyone give me? Correct. Tulasi 21/16. Okay, Lim also sama 21/4 square. Bagus. Harish also sama. Okay, so we say 21/16. Okay, so that will do. That will do. Okay, kita sudah ada okay progression untuk area of black. Okay, so kita sudah ada progression. So sekarang we want okay the total area. Total area ini is going up until infinity. Kenapa? Because kan dia kata they are doing up until infinity. The process. So in other words, we are finding our sum to infinity. So sum to infinity is very easy mah. Okay. You sudah tahu formula A/1 minus R. Yes, you tak boleh guna calculator, but that doesn't mean you should freak out because the numbers are very nice numbers. Okay, and you can get your answer easily. Okay, some of you already told me your answer dekat ruangan komen. Okay, yang baru, cuba tu, type your answer in the ruangan comment. Some of you already answered just now. Okay, I saw. So, it's for those people who baru sekarang nak calculate things. Tolong jangan guna calculator. Tolong jangan guna calculator. Please train yourself to manually calculate. Okay? Answer. Type di ruangan komen. Very fast on the time. Okay. Zafiratul. Okay, Nick. Zafiratul 28. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, maybe another one or two. We get 28. Another one or two. Just confirm. Okay, Tulasi sama juga. Okay, 28. Thank you very much. Okay. Hey, if you all got any question, please unmute your mic. Okay, boleh tanya. So far, so good. Okay, let's talk to Tulasi. Okay. All right, Tulasi, you there?
Yes, sir.
You finish everything.
No.
How much did you do?
Like 8 to 9 questions.
Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay, well done. All right. Okay, thank you very much, Tulasi. Thank you. Okay, so kita ambil lagi soalan. Okay. Okay, tengok yang ni. Tengok yang ni. I picking like questions yang betul-betul macam kalau you tengok, you know, okay, I'm going to give it a go. Okay, one of the tips for you to actually deal with this, what you call kangaroo maths adalah, you go for the one that you looks familiar to you. Macam contoh kalau ada geometry macam ni kan, dia tanya perimeter ke area macam tu, you go for it. Okay, you don't like go according to your turutan. Okay, go for it like that. Lepas tu saya bagi tahu you lagi satu tips. Dekat belakang kan, normally the 5 point punya soalan kan, there'll be about 4 or 5. Please just tengok, jenguk. Okay, maybe some of you might be going like question by question like that. Tapi my suggestion to you is you feel that after like 30 minutes like that, okay, you are like still not there yet, tolong pergi jenguk. Because for me, kalau you are talking about 3 marks and 5 marks, you know 5 marks will do the, I mean will save you. Alright? Okay, so sebelum kita pergi kepada soalan yang 5 markah tu, tengok soalan ni. How many of you tried this question already? Siapa sudah cuba soalan ni? React. Okay. Siapa belum cuba soalan ni? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Alright. Oh, banyak juga yang belum cuba. Why you all never try this question? Siapa yang tengok terus rasa susah? Susah ke ini soalan? You will be very surprised how easy it is, you know. Okay. I bagi you 2 minutes like that. Please try this question before I discuss with you. Okay, please cuba. Okay, please cuba. Actually, if you have your what do you call your tab or your iPad, is good because like at least you boleh tick dekat sana kan, because you got soft copy. Okay, if you didn't have your this thing like that, okay, at least I hope you printed out lah, because memang kalau ada macam tu, then baru senang sikit. Macam kalau you tengok saja itu gambar aja, very susah for you to actually keep track. Okay, I give you about 2 minutes before I discuss with you. Alright, 2 minutes. You must get your answer for this. Okay, cuba dulu. Nanti if any of your friends who are not here, maybe you can tell them lah. Okay, I do the recording also. Nanti boleh share dengan mereka. Don't because I'm recording, you leave the meeting. I tell you, there's no such thing as you will go and watch the recording. Even myself, last time when I had online class, right? I'll tell, okay, I'm going to record. But end of the day, I won't watch. So, I'm just like sharing the recording nanti dengan kamu. Supaya at least if you want to just go back and see the particular question, at least you boleh ni. Okay, or maybe that particular moment you couldn't digest what I'm saying, at least you boleh tengok balik. Alright? Okay, so hope to hear from you about the question number 7 punya answer. Another 1 more minute before I start discussing. Alright, so I gave you 2 minutes. Okay, so let's see how many of you got the answer. Okay, let's hear from you. Okay, in the ruangan comment. I can like kind of like have a few names in my mind already. Orang yang banyak jawab, Harish, Tulasi, Lim, Nick Zaritul, betul ke? Sorry ya. There you go. Nick Nur Zafiratul, panjang nama. Okay, these are the people who have been answering. So, others, if you ada jawapan, sorry Za. Okay, saya panggil you. Panjang betul nama kamu. Nick Nur Zafiratul Akmal. 4 nama you ada. Okay, I hope your friends panggil you salah satu nama. Bukan nama yang tak ada dalam list. Okay, right. If you got the answer for number 7, please type in your rongan comment. Please type in your rongan comment. What's the answer for number 7? Okay, probably 12. Okay, 12, 12, 12. Siti Hajar 12. Okay. 12, 12. Jangan ikut kawan you Okay, very good, very good. Okay, the answer 12 adalah betul. Okay, so you have been putting reaction for me. Now is the time I put reaction for you guys. Ta-da! Alright. Okay, so jawapan adalah 12. So that reaction is for those yang dapat dengan betul. Okay, untuk yang terengah-engah, how is it 12? Mari kita tengok how is 12. Okay, right. So let's see. Dekat sini kan kalau kamu tengok, okay, so you read in English, shows a shape consisting of regular hexagon of side 1 unit. So dekat sini kan hexagon kamu, this is your hexagon, you know, this is your hexagon. Okay, so all is 1 unit. So then apa yang kamu ada is you got 6 squares, you know, 6 squares. So dekat sini kalau you tengok, since this is a square, so this is all sama mah. Okay, the length is the same. So this one also the length is the same. Okay, I go and tandakan. Okay, like that first. Supaya you boleh nampak. Okay, all of them are of 1 unit. Okay. Alright. So sekarang when you ada itu, apa yang kita boleh buat adalah we need to go and analyze our triangle because they never say anything about our triangle mah. Okay, that's not a problem. Kita kena gunakan interior angle kita. Well, kalau you tengok dekat sini square, of course you're going to have 90 degree, 90 degree. Then you ada your punya hexagon. Your form 3 things comes into mind. I think form 3, right? Form 3 or form 2? I think form 2. Okay. So, kalau you ingat formula dia, n tolak 2 darab 180 divide by n. I think that's going to give you about 120 if I'm not mistaken. Betul ke 120? 120. Saya pun tak guna calculator. 120, right? Betul ke 120? Someone please confirm that is 120, right? Yes, I think it's 120. Okay, right. So, it's 120. Betul lah? Yes, thank you. Okay. So, apa yang you ada sekarang is you can tell the angle dekat sini tau in the triangle. So, what you're going to have is 120 campur 90 campur 90. That is going to give you 300. So, if you tengok dekat sini, that would mean this triangle here is going to be 60, you know. So when 60, you know, that is a very familiar number di mana it is going to be a equilateral triangle ataupun segitiga sama sisi. So by default, dekat sini pun you akan jadi sama. Okay? Sama, this also 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 sama. There you go. Everything is going to be 1. Sekarang dia minta perimeter. Senanglah, you tambah everything and you should be getting 12, which is C. Okay, so well done to those who yang dapat dengan betul. Tengok, Kangaroo Maths senang kan? Siapa kata susah? There you go. The scammer comes and scams you. Okay, right. Okay, I hope that builds your motivation lah. Because of course you don't want to be stressed, right? I mean, you got a PSPM coming up. You don't be thinking, man, what did I sign up for? Okay, so I hope that's a bit of motivation for you. Okay, so it's about 5-5 now. Okay, I won't be going above 550 or whatsoever lah. I know some of you ada meeting co-curriculum, right? Can I know how many of you ada meeting co-curriculum? Tolong raise hand. 5.5. Tolong raise hand if you got meeting co-curriculum. Wow, so many of you are. That's like majority of you, man. Okay. Majority of you. Okay. Right. Majority of you. Okay, okay. Never mind. Okay, so nanti saya akan tanya you lah. I hope you can stay with me until at least 5:30. Okay, at least we do session for 1 hour. Okay. Alright. Okay, so mari kita pergi and attack soalan yang macam a bit besar sikit lah markah dia. Okay, besar sikit markah dia. Ini 9 semua actually is good. Okay, boleh score. Okay, tak apa. Saya pergi cari dulu soalan yang macam markah dia besar sikit. Okay. Alright, okay guys, tengok ni. This is actually 5-point mark, 5-point mark. Okay, 5-point mark. Okay, I want to know how many of you ada cuba soalan ni. Ini 5 point tau, 5 point. Siapa ada cuba soalan ni? Angkat tangan. Bagi saya reaction. Angkat tangan lah, angkat tangan. I think, angkat tangan. Siapa ada cuba soalan ni? Who got try this question? Nobody. Okay, siapa tak cuba soalan ni first time tengok? Angkat tangan. 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, wow. Okay. Alright. Okay. So, majority of you are seeing it for the first time. Okay, let me give you a clue. Let me give you a clue. Okay, dekat sini you ada dadu kan? What you need to do is you need to move your dadu on your, this thing, on the pathway. Okay, so basically what you can do is, I know you don't have a dadu. What you can actually do is, you can take anything lah. Like myself, what I did was, saya ambil saya punya, apa ni, kotak kan. Okay, I just grab my kotak as I was doing the question. I simply went and wrote down what the situation is all about lah. Macam kalau kamu baca dekat sini kan, dia kata, sum of the dots on the opposite faces of the die is always equal to 7. You tak faham English, baca BM. BM tak faham, baca you punya Mandarin. Itu pun tak faham, leave it to God. Okay, that's all you can do. Okay, so sekarang, that word is not difficult for you to understand. Okay, sum of the dot on the opposite face is always equal to 7. So kalau atas ada 3, bawah ada apa? Okay, because the opposite face mah. So atas means is bawah, Okay, atas means is bawah. Who can tell me? Kalau atas is 3, bawah is what? Type in the ruangan comment. 4, very good. Bagus. Correct, 4. Okay, so that's a very good start. That's a very good start. What you need to do now is, you need to take either eraser. Okay, you got eraser or any kotak. Okay, please make use of it. Or if you want to use your phone also can lah. You want to use your phone also can. Tapi susah lah, you want to something on your phone, susah kan. Very sayang kan. So you take a kotak or something like that. Okay, then you just move it accordingly. You move it. Macam you tengok, you mula-mula kan dekat sini, you have to move, okay, 2 units to the right. Okay, so macam you tengok here is 1 right. So on this side, you'll be having 6, So basically, if you tengok, they're asking last kali itu, which of the top face at the end will point at F. So maksudnya, bila you sampai dekat F kan, what is the number you will see? Okay. Can I get you all to like at least take your eraser? Actually, can use your eraser, Do you all have eraser? You got eraser, please give thumbs up. You have eraser? Okay, thank you very much, guys. Okay. I think you understand the question, right? Ada soalan ke tentang nak tanya pasal ni? This is very good question. Nothing to do with maths. I think you bagi tahu your adik ke apa ke, they can still answer this question. Since majority of you didn't try this question, I encourage you to go and tandakan dia punya titik on this thing, on the dadu. Then you move 2 units to the right, and then move 3 units forward, move 4 units to the right again, and tell me what is your answer for question 20. I give you 1 minute. Cuba you buat. It's very easy. Langsung tak ada kaitan dengan matematik. And it's 5 marks. How easy can it be? Okay, cuba, please. Cuba. Then you can type in your ruangan comment what you got. Normally benda ni saya akan demo face to face. Okay, it's a bit easier to see, but then I'm wondering how am I supposed to demo to you? Or maybe I should have like come up with a video or something, but unfortunately I couldn't make a video. Okay, those yang sudah guna eraser, actually eraser is good enough for you. Okay, tolong tandakan like how exactly is in the picture, you know. Don't go and tandakan by yourself. Kalau you tengokkan, okay, kat sini ada 3. So that means kat bawah tu will be 4. Okay, then here you ada 1, you know. So this side there'll be 6. Depan you got 2, belakang you will have 5. Okay, so that will sort out everything and then only you start moving. They're asking the top face, you know. That means when your eraser sudah stop kan, you tengok atas sekali what is the number yang kamu nampak. Okay, anyone please give me answer in ruangan comment. Maybe D. Okay, let's see. Okay. Oh, wow. Majority got that answer. Okay, nice. Okay, very good. Majority of you got the answer. Nice. 6. Okay, very good. Nice. Okay, bagus. Okay, kita dengar dari Siti Haja. Siti Haja. Oh, Siti Haja. Can you unmute and speak? How you find the question? Okay or not? Siti Haja? Macam mana soalan ni? Okay kah? Dania Tasnim? Dania Tasnim, kamu dapat 6 kan? Okay ke soalan?
Yes.
How you find the question? Okay ke? Ini 5 markah. Okay ke?
Okay, just follow the rotation.
Is it surprising? Like macam senang, mula-mula nampak susah kan? Tapi apa you rasa lepas you buat?
It's quite easy.
Kan, this one easy kan?
Yes.
5 markah. Okay, leaning. Leaning, angkat tangan. Leaning. Leaning, you want to say something about the question?
Yes.
How you find this question?
No.
Number 20.
Okay lah. Baru
Why you so
faham.
sad? Why you so sad? Huh? Why very surprising is it or what? Not challenging. Yeah. Why you so easy? No mathematics.
Yeah.
Is that what you feel?
Yeah, it's quite.
Surprising.
Yes.
Okay. Alright. Okay. So, saya pun tidak pasti you punya co-curriculum apa cerita. Okay. So, where are you guys actually? Can tell me or not? Like ini co-curriculum kena pergi face to face kan? Can someone give me what you all have to do? Pukul berapa kena bergerak supaya saya boleh bagi plan saya punya session? Siapa boleh bagi tahu? Got anyone can tell me what time you need to move?
5:30.
5:30 bergerak ke 5:30 sudah ada dekat sana?
Start. 5:30 dah start.
Okay. Kalau saya berakhir 5:30, adakah okay? Atau is it going to be a problem? Boleh saya stop 5:30 ke? Okay or not? Can or not? Can Alright. Okay. Thank you very much guys. Okay. Alright, thank you. Okay, right. Okay. Ini 22 boleh. Okay. Tapi kita tengok ni 23 dulu. Okay. 23 ke? Any of you try this 23 ke? Ada tak? Kalau ada bagi reaction. Siapa baru sekarang 23 you are seeing? Angkat tangan. Okay. Okay, I take it as majority lah. Okay, so dekat sini kan, I let you to tengok dulu, baca dulu. Maybe some of you baru first time you're reading the question right. What I will try to do is, I try to guide you through this question lah. Because ini macam equation punya soalan. Okay, so saya nak expect you to able to solve independently is a bit of challenge. So what I do is, I try to guide you. So at the same time, you kena cuba tau. You kena cuba. You tak boleh macam tengok saja. Okay or not? Alright. So sekarang, maybe what you can do for start is, you go and put alphabet lah. Okay, maybe you go and put A, B, this question mark, go and put C, D, E, F, G, H. Buat itu dulu. Okay, so all your empty cells itu kan, kita ada alphabets. Okay, so now what you can actually do is, you read. Okay, you read your question. Okay, kita ada satu relationship lah. Okay, kita ada satu relationship. Okay, I'll let you to read first before I comment. Okay, bagi you 1 minit baca dulu. Nampak susah tapi actually you got the chance with this. Ini 5 markah. 5 markah mesti mau cuba. Okay, for your information, okay, kita ada gold, kita ada silver, kita ada bronze. Dan kita juga ada honorable mention. Okay, so untuk yang gold, silver dan bronze, you akan dapat medal. Okay, untuk honorable mention, you akan dapat cert lah. Tapi dia adalah satu pencapaian. Untuk yang dapat gold medal, nanti kamu akan ada satu event di Kuala Lumpur, di mana you boleh attend dengan you punya parent. Okay, and you will terima your medal and also certificate in front, together with all the students in Malaysia yang dapat gold. Okay, so I think that is a proud moment for you lah. Okay, so this is a bit of input untuk kamu lah yang baru pertama kali join. But I think maybe some of you already pernah join before. Okay, alright. So I hope, okay, dekat sana you understand dia punya relation. Okay, the key word here is numbers 1 to 11 are placed in the hexagon so that the sum of the 3 numbers around each of the 6 black dots is the same. Okay, so here is your this thing. The sum of 3 numbers. Okay, so benda ini around each of the 6 black dot. Dekat sini ada 6 black dot mah. Okay, ada 6 black dot. So apa yang kita nak buat adalah, okay, kita ambil untuk satu black dot lah. The first black dot. So the first black dot, the sum is going to be 6 tambah A tambah D. So that is going to equal to, okay, tulis balik. 6 tambah A tambah D, that is going to equal to yang bawah itu, which is D tambah 4 tambah G. I hope that's clear to you. So basically, right, what we want to do is, we want to create equation. And then we want to proceed sehingga kita dapat what is the value of C. Don't worry, dia nampak macam very complicated. Maybe some of you might be wondering, hey, I'm going to get a lot of equation. No. This is where you kena be very observant. Okay, especially macam bila you tengok satu equation yang kamu sudah create ini kan, dia akan berlaku cancellation. Kalau kamu perhatikan, there is D on the right, D on the left. So this guy will cancel out mah. And then I can make it a bit simpler. Kenapa? Because ada 6 dengan 4 yang kita boleh jadikan sebagai kawan. Alright. So kalau you tengok dekat sini, you're going to get what you call 2 tambah A is equal to G. So that is the equation that you got. So you see from a very complicating looking thing, dia sudah jadi something simple. Okay, sekarang apa yang kita nak buat adalah, okay, if you perasan, I already start at the left, you know. What I want to do is slowly I want to move to the middle and then I want to finish with the right. So secara you tidak sedar, you will be getting the value for C. I repeat again, kita hanya menggunakan information, the sum around the black dot, okay, adalah sama with each other. So kalau you tengok on the left side ini ada 2 black dot mah. So 2 black dot ini, okay, atas punya dengan bawah punya the value is the same. So saya sudah buat, and I simplify, I got this. So now what I want to do is, I want to repeat the same process dekat middle, dekat tengah-tengah. You repeat the same process. Tengok apa kamu dapat. And please don't forget to use what you have already obtained, which is this guy. And then you proceed ke sebelah kanan. Mesti you akan dapat what is your value of C. Saya sudah bagi kamu idea. Try to take it and do it now. Okay, saya bagi kamu about 2 minit. Very simple. Suddenly you'll see get value for C. Over to you guys. Cuba dulu. If you tak faham apa yang saya cakap, unmute and question me back. I'm okay one. Okay. Alright, cuba dulu. Okay, 5, 21. Probably this might be the last question. I want to do until 5:50, but then itulah. Actually, you guys are very busy. Okay, patut session ini adalah pada waktu malam. But I've been told waktu malam ini kamu ada test. Okay, you have a test. So we have to move it. Okay, ke tengah hari, petang ini ya. Okay. So again, kalau you tengok tengah-tengah pun akan ada benda yang cancel out juga. Okay, I wait for you. Kalau you ada jawapan, boleh tulis di ruangan komen. Wah, Ahmad Farouk. Ahmad Farouk, mau sembang dengan you. Unmute.
Hello.
Ahmad Farouk. Ahmad Farouk.
Ya, saya.
You ada buat macam saya cakap. Ada dapat jawapan?
To be honest, I was kind of guessing, but also tried to equate everything, use every dot lah.
Okay, that means he didn't do like what I told you. From left to middle to right. He didn't move like that.
I mean, like, when you got the question from A plus C equals G, right?
Okay.
I started from the right and was like
Ah.
B plus C plus F equals F plus H plus 11, which means B plus C equals H plus 11. So I need to find the relation between B and H to find C. And so I think I try to find it by equating A plus B plus E equals G plus E plus H. So we cancel out the G and A plus B equals G plus H. And using the A plus 2 equals G, I substituted G equals A plus 2, right? So cancel out, you get B equals H plus 2. And then H plus 2, I substituted in the B plus C plus F equals F plus H plus 11. So
Okay.
B plus C equals H plus 11. B equals H plus 2. And we cancel out the H, so we get C plus 2 equals 11, C equals 9.
Right, okay. But then I see like you did quite long, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Okay, thank
Then
you.
zero.
Thank you. Thank you for okay.
Okay.
Okay. Yang lain, how about the rest? Okay, actually kalau you go according to the turutan that I gave you, left to middle to right, you would able to get it. Siapa lagi dapat 9? Who else dapat 9? I think this is a new guy. Teo Minze. Teo Minze. I think you are just joining. I didn't see your name just now. Is it correct? Teo Minze. Hi Teo, if you're just joining. Okay, so if you tengokkan, okay, we have about 5 minutes. Okay, so kalau I tengok the middle one, I got A plus B plus E. So that is going to equal to E plus G plus H. So kalau you tengok the same thing that what you saw, okay, for the left, whereby your E's will cancel out. So that will leave me with A plus B is equal to G plus H. So sekarang what we know is, I know what is my G. My G is 2 plus A plus H. So I got A plus B. So again kalau you tengok, benda cancel out, A cancel out. So you got B sama dengan 2 plus H. Hope you are clear. That is what we obtain for our middle. Ada soalan? Kalau ada soalan, unmute and ask. If I make a mistake, please also let me know. Now I move to the right. So when I move to the right, okay, kita ada B tambah C tambah F. That is going to equal to F tambah H tambah 11. Yeah. Tambah 11. Okay, I think okay, good. Okay, so again, your F and F will cancel out. So kalau you tengok your B is 2 plus H plus C equal to H plus 11. Cancel? Cancel. Wow. There you go. Okay, so that is how you boleh dapat you punya 9. Okay, so how many of you ended up getting that? Tolong bagi thumbs up. Tolong bagi thumbs up. How many of you ended up getting that? Om Prakash, Isma. Okay, very good. Okay, you see, what I want to tell you here is, the thing is you don't have your calculator. You just have to proceed with the words sahaja. Macam all I did was, right, saya tidak buat apa-apa, saya equate dia saja. Saya equate dia and I nampak ada benda cancel out sebelah kiri, sebelah kanan. That I move secara systematic. This is what you should be doing. Not like simply like you list out everything, don't know where to start, where to end. Okay? So I hope you learn something dekat sini. There are a few questions yang macam betul-betul. Okay, when you tengok itu, you got a chance. Okay, macam for example, this question number 24 is good. Lepas tu, this question number 22 also is good. Ini adalah 5 point. 5 point meaning to say, if you answer it good, I mean, you are putting yourself, okay, ahead of others. Alright, so masa is 5.28. Okay, so of course, nak ikutkan memang I want to go more. But then unfortunately, I mean, you guys are tied up with your co-curriculum things. Okay, I think I choose to stop until here. Okay, so if you have any question, please unmute and ask. Okay, sebelum saya wrap it up. Okay, so you can ask if there is any question. Boleh tanya. Ada soalan tak? From anyone? I think maybe all of you might be already walking for your co-curriculum thing already. Okay. For now, no, sir. Okay. All right. Okay, macam ni. I think I will be there in the group. So if there happen to be anything, just nudge me in the group lah. Okay, just nudge me in the group. I'll try to provide whatever support that I can for all of you. Okay. So if tiada, I'll end here. All the very best for your Kangaroo Maths. I hope a few questions dekat sana at least kick-started a bit. Sebelum ini, kalau you had no motivation to see the question, hopefully through the session, at least you dapat sedikit idea. Alright, signing off, Mr. Raj. Keep in touch. Bye, guys. Ciao. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.
Alright, bye-bye. All the best.